Hi all, welcome to Inquisitive Impressions A to Z series. This A to Z series of videos would have a short commentary and a concluding poetry on different topics. These are just my views and hope they in some way would kindle your minds and spur your thoughts. There are people who react differently to different incidents. Some display patience while others react violent. Some speak more while some stay silent. Some look sorted, but some are disturbed with their life flowing adrift without any direction. Why do each one of us respond differently to similar scenarios? The answer to this is driven by a simple question with a deeper meaning, which is who we are. Many relate these differences in us to our personalities. However, personality is just an outer appearance. It can change over a period of time. It may be constructed and at times faked. So many a times, it can at best say who one seems to be. Then what defines who really we are and what we stand for? It is definitely our character. Character makes us unique. It provides each one of us an identity. It is built on our moral qualities and is a true reflection of our core values. It is a depiction of the inner self. It doesn't change frequently and defines us with consistency, whatever be the situation we encounter. However, true character many times is implicit and it generally shows up clearly in extreme situations like times of great joy or deep sorrow, in times of abundance or real scarcity, or during times when all doors are open or when we are pushed to the corner. The reason is in these situations of no pressure or excessive stress, which are extremes, is when we see instinctive actions on one side or deep emotions on the other side. And these are instances when we have a higher chance of showing a reflex action or going in for a complete introspection, thereby expressing our true thinking and feelings. This in turn transmits vibes about who really we are. This vibe is an aggregation of values, which is one's core, identity, which is one's unique definition, behavior, which is how one acts, and expression, which is what he or she thinks or feels. So go explore the character of others through the vibes that gets transmitted. And more importantly, please remember that similar vibes are what others are also constantly receiving from you in every interaction. So try your best to transmit vibes which are true and positive. You without a character is like a play without a director. Your life is flowing adrift without a consistent script. The character is what defines you in an own unique sense and shows people clear signs of who you are with no pretense. Characters gives you an identity with qualities you command and heals you aplenty, respect without demand. So always bring to light your true character vibes, which when displayed right gets likes, shares and subscribes.